ShredRack.com!
Hi there! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to mount the ShredRack Mini with surfboards on your car. Like described on the back of your bag, we'll go through the following steps: inserting the bottles, closing the racks, and mounting them with the according straps. Let's get to it. To fill the ShredRack Mini to its full length, insert 2 bottles into the rack. By the way, you can use any other soft item like towels or laundry. Push the bottles to the very end, and then roll the ends and close the buckles. Repeat this process with the second rack. Make sure your roof is clean in order to prevent scratching or damage, and then place the racks according to your gear. It's important to find the right spots where your roof is reinforced, and also make sure to observe the maximum load of your vehicle. Let's start with the strapping. It helps to place the first rack above the B column, so the strap doesn't disturb the driver. Always use the lashes of the rack to fix everything together. Now, go to the other side of the vehicle and repeat this procedure. If the strap isn't long enough, you can easily extend them by attaching 2 straps together. Use another set of straps to lash everything together similarly on the second rack. Again, make sure to use the lashes of the racks wisely. If needed, you may also use the trunk of your vehicle to secure the rear rack. This can be especially helpful with 3-door cars. Finally, tighten the straps firmly and store the leftover webbing in the neoprene pockets so there's no noise or fluttering while driving. Always keep in mind the driver is responsible for the securing and safety of the load. Retension the straps after 20 kilometers of driving. Double check each item for damaged parts before using. Keep in mind the forces present while driving at higher speeds. Make sure not to block any curtain airbags while placing the webbing straps. Finally, enjoy your next adventure and make sure to share your stories with us.
ShredRack! The most useful inflatable car roof rack in the world!